Hi viewers. Welcome to bVision YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble a basic desktop PC. This computer build will be very basic and will be the minimum hardware necessary to have a functional system. After you have all of the parts and materials needed, it will take between 2 and 4 hours to assemble your computer, and you will need to be able to use simple hand tool, screwdriver. First, open the computer case by removing the side panel. Install the motherboard in the case. Lower the motherboard into the case and align with the input-output bezel. Install the 6 screws to motherboard. Lift the small metal rod next to the socket. Find the arrow marking on the CPU socket and insert the CPU so that the markings are lined up. Push the rod down to lock the processor in place. Install the CPU fan. The CPU fan is really a combination of a heatsink and fan together. The unit draws heat away from the CPU. Place thermal compound to the CPU following the instructions provided with the compound. Set the fan assembly on the CPU with mounting tabs aligned. Pull the locking rod down on the fan assembly to lock into place. Consult the manual to determine proper placement. Connect the fan assembly's power connector to the motherboard. The RAM is easy to install. Set the RAM board in the socket. Press firmly on both ends of the board to set it into the socket. Make sure the tabs lock into place. Caution: pressing the boards in when the tab is not aligned could cause damage to the RAM boards as well as the motherboard. Install hard drive. The hard drive is the device that stores all of your data. Slide the drive into place until the screw holes on the sides are lined up with the holes in the case. Install power supply. Align the mounting holes in the case and power supply. Insert screws and tighten. Installing DVD drive to the case. First, you need to open the front panel of the case and insert DVD drive. Connect case HD audio cable to motherboard. Then connect USB cable to motherboard. After connecting case cables to the motherboard, with all of the components installed in the case, the jungle of wires can be daunting. It is important to consult the motherboard manual in order to make sure proper connections are made. There are two kinds of connections, power and data. Every device that has been installed needs power. The motherboard has two power connections, and for SATA devices, drives. The other connectors will run fans and other non-SATA. Warning: incorrect connections can damage components and cause bodily injury.
Very large connector of motherboard.
Then last, connecting power cable to motherboard.
I hope you enjoyed my video and please subscribe my channel and like.